Hi everyone, I work for the Asia Group and I would like to introduce a job opportunity to all of you. It is into factory work. The place of work would be in Okaya city at Nagano. This factory is the work is into testing and detailed inspection of plastic products and that of the machine operators. The smallest product is about a diameter of 3 centimeters and the larger one is about a diameter of 20 centimeters. They would prefer women and ladies who can apply for the factory work job to apply for this particular profile, and there is also a dormitory for you to stay and work as well. It's a full-time job. We need about 3 people for this particular job opportunity. The place of work, as I said, is into Okaya city. This would be your work timings. Would be your approximate monthly salary, and there is also a bonus if you wish to on the basis of your performance. Daily conversational level of Japanese would be okay to apply for this particular job. The interviews for this opportunity is happening in our office on the 29th of October at the Asia Group. A little bit about the Asia Group. We have job fairs and job interviews happening every single day of the week. Job fairs is where on that particular day the HR or the president of the companies who are coming over, their job openings would be shared with you. You can challenge any of them and give interviews accordingly. On Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, the job fair is at 11 a.m. whereas the interviews happen about 2 p.m. On Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, job fair is at 1 p.m. Interviews happen about 4 p.m. And our office is located at Kanda, Tokyo. This would be the number you can get in touch with us here. We also have offices in the Osaka city and the Nagoya city. So in case you are applying if you are looking out for a job in those areas, you can still get in touch with us on this number. We shall be there to help. Thank you.